one important jump syntax, okay, that is your CJNE. We didn't do this last time. And jump JNC, JNB, JB, time do you remember?
Yes, bro.
So with all uh all this have one of the jump syntax with them is also uh, this one, CJNE. CJNE stands for compare and jump if not equal. Okay, compare and jump if not equal to. Okay, we'll see this. So two things will be compared. If it is same, okay, if it is same, if that two things are same, do this one. If it is not same, do this one. Okay, anyway, Andy, CJNE. We'll see some example. The actions of comparing and jumping are combined into single instruction called CJNE. Okay, it will compare two operands. See, amen. And jumps if they are not equal. If they are not equal, two things will be compared. If they are not equal, it will jump. If they are equal, it will execute next line. Meme na anzum meme. Okay, that's compare and jump if not equal. So if it is not equal, it will jump. Okay. Now, if it is not equal, Daru. Okay, if it is not equal, destination the analu. See here. Can you see this?
Yes,
Can
sir.
all of you see this? Yeah. CJNE R5, comma hash 80, comma not equal se dumena. R5 the 80, I mean R5 and 80 will be compared. Okay. R5 the 80 the equal. Imagine it will execute next line. If these two are not equal, that means R5 na 80 memberchin. If in R5 register, if there is no value 80, that means that is not equal. If these two values are not equal, then mean it will jump to not equal. It will jump to this level. Is it clear? If these two values are equal, it will execute next line. If these two are not equal, it will jump to not equal. Not equal. After jumping here, now not equal na luya, Taru. Whether R5 is greater than 80 now, or whether R5 is less than 80, not equal na. May JNC next. Always JNC next. JNC next. That means R5 is greater than 80. During this case, if there is, okay, jump if R5 is greater than 80. That means if there is carry, it will jump. If there is no carry, it will jump. May. And if R5 is greater than 80, it will jump. If R5 is less than 80, it will execute the next line. Are you getting? It will be clear in with one example. See this example. Write a program to read the temperature, and test it for the value 75 May. According to the test result, place the temperature value into the register indicated by the following. Okay, read this question once. Try to understand the question. Okay, now yes. First, X and Y will be C, J, N, E. Analu do mena C, J, N, E. Kasi do analu C, J, N, E A, comma hash 75. Do bade moshi. C, J, N, E A, comma hash 75, comma next. Let's say. Ani lume. Okay. The meaning of this one is the meaning of this one. Tame, is it visible? Ani?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Tại vì ở trong cái tủ April Fool.
Now, if A is equal to 75, if A nalu value 75 ra imagine, okay, 75 ra, it will execute next line. It will execute next line. If A is not equal to 75, it will jump to next. It will jump to next. Is this clear? First tell me, is this clear? I'm the first step.
Yes,
If
sir.
A is equal, it will execute next line. If A is not equal, that means A nalu 75 may machin. It will jump to next. Next. May.
Yes, sir.
Now, next na not equal ima the next na hebdadi. The not equal A the there will be two conditions, whether A is greater than 75 or whether A is less than 75. Not equal ani ni na umbate daru. Whether A will be greater than 75 or whether A will be less than 75. Not equal ani ni mate. Not equal nalu. Condition ani ni only chance mate. When this one is when this is the condition, okay? When this is the condition, there is no carry. No carry.
No,
Why?
okay.
Because GCJ ಗೆ subtract ಬೇವು ಮತ್ತೆ subtract zumbere ಬೇವು, but you know when A is greater than carry, when A is greater than this value, obviously if this subtraction will be done and there will be no carry. If A is less than 75, A minus 75 will be, there will be carry.
Once more, sir.
There will be two conditions, right? A is greater than 75 and A is less than 75, not equal nalume.
Yes, sir.
Now, what it will perform is CJNE and not equal to FWD. It will do A minus 75. It will do now. A subtraction of 75. If A minus 75 carry Thembachin, that means 75 is greater than A. If there is no carry, when I do this, that means A is greater than 75. How we go?
Oui, sir.
Goila.
So that's why I will write Analu after this may Analu. Next Analu JNC JNC mush. Then if there is no carry, remember the mush anidi. How you will write? Jump to it should jump to let's say over, and these values will be analog. You should be you should write you should write something which is analog. Here you'll write here if it is J and C, that means no carry. No carry means A is greater than or smaller than 75.
A is greater than, sir.
A is greater than 75.
Yeah.
Okay.
It should jump to, let's say, over. It should jump to over. Over is somewhere here. If it is, if there is carry, it will execute next line. This is carry. This is no carry. Is it clear? Da.
Sir.
Let's copy this. Now, any question natame? Coming back to this question. Any question no? Write a program to read the temperature and test it for the value 75. According to the test result, place the temperature value into the register, okay, indicated by the following. Like for example, temperature sensor sense benigi project mo, and you have one temperature sensor, and you have kept that temperature sensor somewhere outside to check the temperature. And I want that temperature sensor to sense the temperature, and you want to know what is the temperature outside. See, project okay? And always when it hits 75, okay, temperature 75 in a minute check. So 75 if daludi, you will think that okay, the temperature has increased. Okay, 75 may much in the whether it is ana. If it is less than, if temperature is less than 75, R1 should be equal to T. The value should go into R1. If temperature is greater than 75, the value should go to R2. Is it clear? I'll copy this. Let's discuss. Okay, so first I'll start with P1 making input port first ani first input port जो है P1 दी. Okay, and bringing all this port, that means P1 nalu gara 1 chance do. Now bring all this port to A. Is this first two line clear? First, FFP1 na chahi. To make port 1 na, to make input, this port as input. Then, now I bring this P1 port to A. Okay? Because now, to read the P1 port, I bring to A. This one, this line. Now, I am comparing the value of A with 75. Okay, I am comparing the value of A with 75. A di it will with A the temperature is connected. In A, so let's say this is microcontroller. Your temperature sensor is somewhere here. Analu. This is your temperature sensor. This is connected to your port 1. Temperature sensor is connected to port 1. This will sense the temperature. Temperature sense it will send the signal to port 1. Information to port 1. Ansu temperature E is port 1 na send view. Port 1 की value it's being automatically recorded in A accumulator inside RAM. Because I have linked in the program, Anna. I have linked in the program. A the P1 the P1 की value the A na move be me से ngachi की program ने dinu bade. So whatever value which has been sensed by the temperature sensor will come to P1. The P1 की value the it will move to A in the RAM. RAM A the RAM nahi mate. So it's being recorded. How goiga? Now that temperature is being compared with 75. Whether that temperature is 75 or not. Okay, CJN is A, comma has 75. If it is not equal, if these two are not equal, it will jump to over. If it is equal, it will jump the next line. Okay, if it is equal, directly exit beda, same as jump exit. No need to execute next line. It will execute here only. The program will end here only if it is equal. Okay, are you understanding? If it is equal, it will end here only. Ani line nara ani jo. If it is not equal, it will jump to over. It will jump to over. Now, over nalu, there will be two conditions that are not equal. Whether A will be greater than 75 or whether A is less than 75. JNC, directly I'll write JNC next. If there is no carry, it will jump to next. That means A is greater than 75. If there is carry, then it will jump to next. It will jump the next line, not next. Pardon me. Analu. If there is carry, it will run the next line and this line. This line. This is with carry. Okay. And this is with no carry. Because it should jump to here, right? Analu. It should jump from here, from here, from here it should jump to here, right? Anale, ana jump beko bate. If there is no carry, no carry means A is greater than 75. That is samchi labchi mein nagagi. It is performing A minus 75 here. Is it clear or not? Every time, you know, ani beodaloya, it will execute this line. The ani base house execute. Don't have to go back again, check and go at it. Clear in a minute, love. Otherwise, we'll move on. Let's make a flow chart. Flow chart joge mein. Let's make a flow chart. Clear, clear, brother. So, can you make a flow chart? Yeah. Flow chart also gani. First nalu, make P1 as input, right? This is the first one. Maybe na? Then, what is the next? Copy P1 to A. Next, what is next? Love, what is next? Next, Rajima Analu. Next, Rajima. Love, Chaba.
Compare A and 75.
Yes. Compare A with 75. Okay. Two branches will come, right? Two branches. If A is
equal to 75.
Let's say this one is A equal to 75. 75. A is not equal to 75. This one will be exit. If A is not equal to 75, okay, what will be the thing? Analu. Analu kasi jo. I hope you are making notes, huh? Notes jo me. If A is equal to 75, it will exit. If A is not equal to 75, anagasi jong.
Check whether there is carry or not.
Check carry or not, yes. For A minus 75. Bracket na chuan. Check carry for A minus 75 or not. Yes, yes, that's true. So 2 branch will come, Daru. Yes, no. If no, what will happen? If yes, what will happen? So if there is carry, what will happen? Huh?
Greater than 75. A is greater than 75. We will move to R1.
Copy A to R1, right? Analu.
Yes, sir.
If there is no carry, copy A to Kajimo.
There is carry, sir. If there is carry, copy E to R2.
If there is no carry, yeah, R2. This one is R2, and this one should be R1. And these are exit. Remember? This one also exit. This one also exit. And we go. So this is your complete flow chart. Okay. Okay. Example G me. This is one example for me. Might come other types of any example chi so jimbe chegi anzum technique use benichi. It might come. Many questions I can make me analu. Temperature, pressure. Suppose you are a doctor one doctor is checking the pressure. Okay. Checking the pressure, whether that pressure is below 180 or normal pressure namo, high pressure namo, low pressure namo, and that program also you can write. 180 na gamchidi no animate 80. I mean 90 is the normal pressure. So whether that doctor will have high pressure, low pressure, or equal to 90 normal pressure. Aniki program ya dichu. One is that one. Another one is sometimes, like for example, in the hydroelectricity, right? Somewhere here, Analu, and hydro nalu, there is a, for you all, there is a this one, right? Ani turbine ki speed check be me notch omade. There is a notch to control the flow of water inside the turbine of the dam. Say this wiki. Anna. Yemena. There is a notch to control the flow of water inside the turbine of the dam. Now, ani notch the cheki control bechu bachin turbine ki speed control bechu ni mevade. So 180 RPM. Zo same hai cheki 180 RPM. If you want more than 180 RPM, that means you need to open the notch. If it is less than 180, you need to close the notch. If your RPM should be greater than 180, open the notch. If your RPM of turbine is less than 180, close the notch. Say question onulo. and Zumrai. Answer will be like this only.
Hello.
How goega? Huh? See, I can go on me and see any gidi. CJ is one important tool to compare two values. Okay. But only example chicham chidu. So this is in slide number 224. This is slide number 224. And remember that when we these values and it's and subtract Beyonce, this subtraction is not same as the subtraction which we did SUBB Zumbe. It will not change the value, only the flags will be changed. Aninalu, Anini, this one. I told you that it will do A minus 75. Lapchimena. A minus 75, the values won't change. Only the flags will be changed. See, flags are changed according to the execution. SUBB Zumbe, SUB Nadi, the flags were changing, right? The values will be changing. The answer will be changing. But here, answer won't be changed. Only the flags will be changed. Okay. See, that's what they have written. The compare instruction is really a subtraction, except that the operands remain unchanged. Operand will not change. See, only the flags will be changed. But SUB Nadi, operand will also change. Flag will also change. Remember, A minus B, Beodalu, answer will be coming in A Made. Subtraction Nadi. So the operand of A, operand A is changing. The value of A is changing. But here that will not be happening. Analu, just the flag will be changing. Is it clear? Or not?
Yes, sir.
They may. Ani अनि subtraction the division the multiplication thing achi ki lesho me to we chadaru chachi de me 2's complement, please see 2's complement. Okay, 2's complement gade me bini na ana. This is another important program, 2's complement. I think I will give this as your assignment. Analu, I'll write the question here. Write a program to find the 2's complement of the values of the value. 2's complement gade me find me. How to find 2's complement? Do you know? Like for example, 20h ki delu 2's complement find me. How you will do? Hmm? 2's complement gade me find me ni 20h ki. Can someone tell me? Kale. No response. Shall I pick up one? Two's complement gade find many. Two's complement. Samjana. Two's complement.
Chana sir.
First, you will find the Roshan. Two's complement. Roshan.
Yes, sir.
Two's complement. Kade find minimum. Ani 28. First, you will convert that into binary number, right?
Yes, sir.
Dele.
Mashallah, sir.
Dele. First, convert into binary number, right? Dele. Complement numbers. 28 की binary number लब गालू चोबा रोशन binary number of 28 binary number of 28 सी रोशन
Sir, Chodola, sir.
huh
I am making, sir.
you are
Writing, sir.
yeah 28
0010
0010 do you have to write
10
also for this 28 की binary number
0000
0010 what is the complement of this
111 1100
110
01
1111 this is the ones complement
Yes, sir.
this is ones complement now 2's complement will be plus one of this one's complement plus one Bewachin, it will be 2's complement. So that means 110 11111 plus 1 Bewachin 2's complement. What will be the answer? 111000 ani bemana ani thiongosh add besh that too.
Yes, sir.
How to write the program of this? Program gadi bidini. Ngachi gidi ani mathematical member the. Ngachi gidi write a program equation diyan. Write a program to find the 2's complement of the value. I'll write this question. I'll write this question in your forum, VLE forum. Tage gagi answer में होगा नहीं. तो VLE forum ना choose जाऊँगा. I'll check the answer. Try it, okay? By now you should do this. Dele, dele. Wait. Microcontroller. So straight coming to division, में the division nalu. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Division, okay?
Yes, sir.
This one is, yeah. So this one is first one is division. The division garebe benimo. Always not division, man. This one is multiplication. So if you are multiplying A and B, so let's say there are four location 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay. There are four location 20, 21, 22, 23. I have to multiply these two. Okay, these two. Multiply baby. Chi high byte, chi low byte nathi homate. Low byte will go in one location, high byte will go in one location. Okay. Again. I'll write this question. This question thing I'll write in VLE forum. Please try. Okay. I'll let you know.
Okay, sir.
Program of this one. So multiplication gade benimo. That for example, there are four locations 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, there are four locations. I want to multiply A and B. Okay. A की value will go in 20. B की value will go in 21. Now I will multiply these two 20 and 21. 20 and 21 multiply bedalu. High byte the low byte homade. For example, value will be 2051H. Which one is high byte? Which one is low byte? Which one is high byte? Which one is low byte? Here. Analu. $20.51.
20 is high byte, sir, and 51 is low byte.
20 is high byte, 51 is low byte. This one is LB, this one is HB. Multiply beodolo answer anyway. Answer will always come in 16 byte. Whether it is 00 or 16 byte. So the LB will be occupying 22. High byte will be occupying 23. Are you getting? And it is always between A and B. Multiplication is always between A and B. You can't use other registers. So when you multiply this LB will go in accumulator always. Are you getting or not? And this one will go into B. So A will be occupying the product. B will be occupying the carry. Write a program for this. Kade dini mo program. Okay, Gani. Did you understood this scenario? Who did
Yes,
understand?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Vale. Sí, que hay que ser tan grande, que esté en medio. Después de que la pobreza. Cuando blackmail dijo el estilo no es. No le pienso que tanto para blackmail. Ay, blackmail dije. Sana mı kere script chatna. Sana ne blackmail diyor.
What about others?
Dice, mo başı bir kolektör mu? Geçen mu? Bir şey. Ngaçay bir şey de ngaçay. Ngaçay laun de gele. Başı bilmiyorum.
Mute your mic. Mute your mic. Mute your mic. I have to write a program for this. Okay, Anigi, multiplication. We are multiplying these two. Now I have to write a program. So 20A will be occupying in 20, B will be in 21. Now I have to multiply this. Answer will be in A and B only, but it will be occupying in different space. Okay, 22, 23. Anzumil, how you will write a program for this? Hmm? How will you write? First one will be move 28, comma A, right? Imena,
Yes, sir.
this one. Tele, next love.
21.
21H, comma B.
Tele,
The multiply.
mul AB.
AB.
Dele,
Check for carry, sir.
hmm? Dele. Do we have to check for carry here? What will be next now, Anale? Imena? Huh? Dele?
B.
Right. Do we have to check for carry here? Irrespective of there is carry or not, the value of low byte will go to A, high byte will go to B, right? Irrespective of whether there is carry or not. Low byte will go to A, high byte will go to B. Yeah? No, I can't hear. Go slow. I can't hear you. Tenzin. See here. Then I end the program by SJMP here, right? Hello. I end the program will here SJMP here. End zero two, but ngai lapchime nate end is derivative in say ani end the so ani zero two here. See, if you write here, it will end here. So this will be the program. If I go back, it's the program. I'll move 20 की value A nalu, 21 की value B nalu. I'll move. Okay, that will be and the answer multiply beodalu. A will go in low byte, B will go in high byte. A की value will go in LB, B की value will go in 23. Is it clear, everyone? Now what about division? Hmm? Mm, let's say Analu. Mm, let's say this is 20h location. This one is 21. This one is 22. This one is 23. Okay. Now I want to divide A division B. Okay. All right. I want to divide A divided by B. A will occupy 20. So A will come here. B will occupy 21. Answer will be quotient and remainder, right? Do you remember quotient and remainder? So quotient will be going in A, remainder will be going in B. So quotient will occupying 22, remainder will be occupying 23. This is this remainder. This is division, how you do division. Now write a program. Kade benimo. Program kade dinimo da. One by one labdaya. Re. First one. What will be the program?
Move 20h A.
Move 20h, comma A.
A.
Next
Move 21h, comma B.
21h, comma B.
B.
Dele
Division
AB.
IV
PIV.
AB.
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 Yeah, AB. Dele move
Move 22 A.
22h,
A,
comma
comma A.
A. Remainder the A naro jome. Remainder the please. Dachi the low byte will go into remainder. Low byte will go into accumulator. A nalo
Accumulate.
jome. Now the quotient will go
Quotient.
into not remainder. Quotient will go into remainder accumulator. Next move
23h, comma B.
Comma B.
23h, comma
B.
okay. And this program is finished. Now if any question D, let's say this question ani di ani yellow question D. Write a program to divide two values in register bank 1. Said you watching. What change you will bring here? What change you will bring here? Hmm? What change you will bring here? Register bank then look at go. For register bank 1 to do for register bank 1, which bit of PSW register should be enabled? Hmm? PSW dot 2 should be Gaji value. PSW dot 3 should be what? Lavya. Anybody remembers?
01.
00 will be register bank
0.
0. 01 will be register bank
1
1.
maybe.
So this should be 1, right? This should be 0. So in the program, I will write Analu set B PSW dot 2 clear PSW dot 3. Say Diwachin, this program will be for this program will be executed and saved in register bank 1. Is it clear? I think PSW dot 2 and PSW dot 3, right? If it is 1 1, Anna, any question nalu? 3 the 4 3 the 4. It's not 2 and 3. It's 3 the 4. It's 3 and 4. It's 3 and 4. This one. This one is 4. This one is 3. Okay. This one is 3. This one is 4. होगा PSW dot 3 the PSW dot 4 Ghadive, we have this one, right? Analo Zodolo. So four. This is 0 1 PSW dot 0 1 2 3 and 4. See, this is 3, this is 4 5 6 7 imade. So PSW 3 the PSW dot 4 anini. This is PSW register. Register bank will be selected by this. If it is 0 0, bank 0. If it is 0 1, bank 1. If it is 1 0, bank 2. If it is 1 1, bank 2, bank 3. Okay. So coming back to okay, is it clear? This is subtraction, this is division, the addition with carry, addition with carry, same Taru, same thing. How you will do addition with carry? Coming back to this one, how you will do addition with carry? 20H, 21H, 22H, 23H. I have to do A plus B. Okay. Remember now? A will go in 20H, B will go in 21H, and in the add beodalo, sum will go in A, carry will go in 23. Sum will go in this. Sum, carry will go here. This one will be your sum. This one will be your carry. How to write the program? Program yeah.
Move 20HA.
Move 20 H, comma A. Dile. Move
21HB.
20 H, comma B. Dile.
Add A and B.
Wait. Add. Instead of B, I'll write some values, that is X. So, Analu, move 20H, comma A, more A, add A, comma 21H. I'll write. However, this is wrong. This is wrong. I can't write add A, comma B. I can do, but for this, I'll not. For this program, I'll write a different way. I can write okay, add A, comma B, but for this case, I'll not use B. Okay, anything I use B, because only for division and multiplication we'll be using A and B, but for addition you can use other things also. Dele, anale gade beyond dele.
Check for carry, sir. JNC.
J and C. Check for carry. We have done, I think, this kind of program. If carry ye bachin, what will be happening? If there is carry, what will happen? If there is carry, what will happen? Let's say, what should happen if there is carry?
Move to 23H, sir.
Move 20H, comma A, add A, comma 21H, J and C carry. Next. Okay. Now I will initiate one register, that is move R2, comma has 0 0 0 0 choose again. So if there is carry, I will increase this R2, increment R2 7 if there is carry. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So I'll move this. If there is the next na digo the most next ka cheez hona. I have to move the value right now. 22 की value 22 na the sum hoy ma the mush. Sum देगा चे 22 नहीं है ना. Carry देगा चे 23 नहीं है ना. So I'll move. Okay, sum की value दी R1 ना move देगी मेगा. R1, comma A. Sum दी A ना हुई में ना चाहिए. A की value will go in not not R1, but it will go in 22H. Then move 23H, comma R2. Is it clear? Finally, this program is finished. A again at 3. Next number will be coming in 21. At B, sum will go in 22. Carry will go in 23. Fulfill yasimena. Whenever there is carry, I have to increment that carry by 1. Always increment the carry by 1. That's a class 9 lapchi chegi. That's why I have to initialize that carry register with 0 first now. Then only it will execute. Okay. Okay or not?
Okay, sir.
This is how you do addition. See? That's how the subtraction is also same. A 20H, 21H, 22H, 23H. I have to do A minus B. A will go in 20H, B will go in 21H. Difference the carry the one. Difference will go in 22. Carry will go in 23. Carry here means borrow, okay? Borrow. Same thing, that addition is same, but just now it will be that add githama, it will be SUB. Is it clear? Same. So you can try for subtraction with carry now. That's last time also we didn't do for carry. Carry ki delu mobile ani program ani anna do dalu. Slow kale nalunga chik program beudalu. We didn't do for what is that? So Tenzin has asked question like, will there be overflow during multiplication law? Remember na Tenzin? Overflow, will there be overflow law? Overflow in what sense? In what sense overflow?
So he's asking that, sir, whether there will be carry or not, sir, if we do multiplication.
In multiplication, oh yeah, in multiplication, carry in a minute. Carry will be all dealt by the 16-bit number. If it goes beyond the 16-bit, then there will be a carry. Of course, there will be a carry, but 16-bit since it's program. It can do only up to 16-bit. If it is goes then 32-bit multiplication, you have to write different program. That program is not valid. Not valid. if the answer goes beyond 16 bit. Okay. Is it clear? I think we will stop here. 1.5 hours. Somewhere we have overflow flag. Overflow flag gi mo ba tanga chi. See, SUB is subtract with borrow. SUB is just subtraction. SUBB is subtraction with borrow. May see A minus source minus carry. An overflow flag did somewhere it was there. Yeah, here now by humanity. Okay, I think we'll stop here. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Next class number chigi. Next class. When is the next? When is our next class?